Thanks for installing Cash On and welcome to the family. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use Cash On. If you haven't already installed Cash On, you can find the install link in the video description down below or by going to the Chrome Web Store and searching for Cash On. Once you find the Cash On app, select Add to Chrome and Add Extension. Now, in the top right-hand corner, you're going to want to click on the Extensions icon and pin Cash On to the Chrome Extensions toolbar. Congrats! Now you've installed Cash On. Now, to use Cash On, go to Zillow.com and enter in an area you want to analyze for investments. Let's choose San Francisco. Once the map loads, you'll want to get your property results down to as close to 500 properties as possible, since Zillow only allows you to view up to 500 properties at a time. You can do this by first adding filters and zooming in on your map. Today, I'm going to focus on only houses, townhomes, and multifamily. Now you can see with 574 results, I've narrowed it down to less than 500. Once that's done, click on the Cash On icon and you'll see the message Cash On activated. Now that Cash On has been activated, if you move the map by a tiny bit, it'll trigger the Cash On analysis. Awesome! Now you can see the highest cash flow potential properties in your investing area. At the bottom, you can see that Cash On analyzed 395 properties and there's 40 pages worth of listings. In the columns dropdown, you can see more data attributes for each property that you can now view in the table. Let's turn on some of these investor-friendly metrics. Also, don't forget to check out our filters, which allows you to filter on certain columns, and our sorting, which allows you to sort on columns. Now, if you hover over a column and you can see that it grays out, that means you can sort on it. If it doesn't gray out, you can't sort on it. One last thing, if you see blue text, that means it's a link that you can click on. Click on the property that you want to analyze. If you click on rents estimate, it'll show you the other rental properties in the area that contribute to the rental estimate. Also, if you click on zip code, you'll see the different data that goes into that rental market and different market trends for that zip code. If you want more tips and tricks to use Cash On, check out our channel for more information. Thank you.